Welcome governors, whether you're new to KingShot or looking to sharpen your strategy, these top 5 tips will accelerate your progress and strengthen your kingdom. Let's start. So firstly, chapter missions are your roadmap to success. They guide your progression and offer substantial rewards, including troops and resources. Stay focused on these missions to ensure a steady and efficient advancement. The second, the town center is the heart of your settlement. Upgrading it unlocks new buildings and high-level upgrades for existing structures. Prioritize its developments to expand your city's capabilities. Now next, focus on assembling a team with a mix of infantry, cavalry, and archers. In the early game, a 2-star rare hero can outperform a 1-star SSR. Prioritize heroes you can upgrade and ascend quickly to maximize combat effectiveness. Also, consistently completing intel missions enhances your rewards over time, offering better loot and hero shards. Growth missions, often spanning several days, provide significant rewards and are essential for long-term progression. Next one is you need to avoid using resource items immediately. Keeping them in your inventory protects them from being looted during attacks. Use resources strategically when you're ready to upgrade buildings or train troops. And the last tips, being part of an active alliance offers numerous advantages: assistance with building and research, access to alliance events and collective defense strategies. Collaborate with your alliance members to thrive in KingShot. And that's it. Just implement these tips to strengthen your kingdom and outpace your rivals. For some more KingShot strategies and updates, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.